Welcome. In this presentation, I will show you how to get crime forecast reports and other related information in a few minutes, with just a few clicks. The first thing we need to do is go to www.crimereductionunit.net. We will start in the state of Alabama. Click on the picture or the name under the picture. Scroll down till you get to the weekly crime forecast reports. Here you will see several cities for the selected state. Click on the picture below the name of the city you want to see the reports. I selected Huntsville, Alabama. Let me explain the report format. There are 7 buttons to help navigate the report. The Select a Crime button lets you select a specific crime. With the Select a Date button, you drill down to a specific date. The Reset button clears all the filters. The Website button takes you directly to the website. The Print button allows you to download a PDF. And the Home button takes you to the home page. You also have 3 tables. The Crime Totals table produces the total number of crimes for each crime class. The Crime Totals by Date table produces total crimes by the date. And the most important table, the Daily Crime Forecast by Date and Time, provides the forecast information for each crime. Now this is how you use this report. The crime forecast is provided 1 week into the future. If you have a crime problem, use this information and put a strategy together to reduce the crime problem. You need 3 pieces of information to prevent a crime. You need the future date, time, and location. You have 2 out of the 3. What you can do if you are a police agency, have your crime analysis unit provide you with a good crime location and work at using the forecasted dates and times. Here I select the motor vehicle crime. The forecast shows 27 stolen cars for this coming week. The stolen cars are also broken down by dates. And here we selected a date, June 26, 2025. It shows 5 stolen cars, and it is broken down by specific times. There are 2 ways that anyone who is interested or involved in crime can verify the validity and accuracy of this information. 1. You can do nothing and wait for crime reports at the end of the month. Check the type of crime, the date of the reported crime, and the time of the reported crime. Compare that information to the forecast information and see the accuracy. 2. You can work a specific crime problem area by using the forecasted dates and times. At the end of a month, check to see if crime decreased or increased on the dates and times you worked the problem. This strategy is very effective, and most importantly, the information is free. Always print a PDF report because the information on the website is constantly updated. I hope this presentation helped.